What to know before you treats your pup. What dog doesn't enjoy a tasty treat now and then? Dog owners enjoy giving their pets treats as well. If you have a dog, you probably know what your dog likes to nibble on. There are so many different types of treats available these days, and they all come in a variety of shapes, sizes, colors, and consistency. There are some bad dog treats on the market for every good one. These treats can cause harm to your dog if they become lodged in his throat or intestines. This can result in choking or worse. If you enjoy spoiling your canine companion, you should be aware of the treats that may be harmful. Even when it comes to treats that aren't normally dangerous, you need to supervise your dog when they eat. Greenies. The majority of dogs adore these treats. They are marketed as treats that aid in the cleaning of your dog's teeth. You should be aware, however, that greenies can cause choking. This is due to the fact that dogs eat these very quickly, causing large chunks to lodge in the throat. Young puppies and dogs who are prone to scarfing food should avoid this treat. If your dog consumes these treats, be prepared for vomiting, bloody stools, and difficulty breathing. Seek medical attention if your dog exhibits any of these symptoms after eating this treat. Rawhide chews. What dog doesn't enjoy munching on these chewy treats? Rawhides are beneficial because they clean your dog's teeth while also keeping your dog entertained. Rawhides, on the other hand, are dangerous. Some rawhides from countries other than the United States may be preserved with arsenic-based chemicals that your dog will ingest when he or she chews. As a result, make sure that any rawhide treats you buy are made in the United States, where this preservative is prohibited. If you can't tell where a treat came from, don't buy it. Furthermore, you must keep an eye on your dog while he or she is chewing on rawhides to avoid choking. Make certain that the rawhides you purchase are of the highest quality. A small dog needs the smaller sized rawhide treats. Chocolate. Allowing dogs to eat chocolate is a terrible idea. Of course, dogs will occasionally get into candy and cake without your knowledge. Chocolate is toxic to both dogs and cats, so keep an eye out for your dog seeking chocolate nibbles, especially during the holidays. BlueReven is an ingredient found in chocolate. This has the same effect on dogs as caffeine does on humans. A small amount will make the dog hyperactive, but a large dose could be fatal. If your dog has eaten chocolate, look for vomiting, shallow breathing, and an irregular heartbeat. Unusually, a trip to the emergency vet is required. Bones. It appears that every dog has the right to occasionally crunch on a real bone. Dogs adore bones of all shapes and sizes. Some bones, however, can be hazardous. Because chicken and turkey bones are brittle, they are especially dangerous. When your dog chews on them, the splinters easily and can cause choking. The same thing can happen with pork and beef bones. A shin bone is one of the safest bones you can give your dog, according to veterinarians. If you must give your dog a bone, make sure you supervise him or her and call your vet immediately if he or she shows signs of bleeding. This is not to say that you should never give your dog a treat. That is one of the most enjoyable aspects of owning a dog. You must keep an eye on your dog and ensure that he is safe when snacking. In the event of a recall, always be mindful of the type of treat you give your dog.